Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that geometry that we copied from FoilSim and we're going to put it inside of a Google Sheet. So I'm just going to paste this data in here by selecting Control V. Now, before we do anything with this, we need to actually clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to get rid of a few of the rows here. What I'm really interested in is this data here below 34. Okay, I'm going to keep line 34 though, so I'm going to click on 33. I'm going to drag up to select these other rows, right click, and then delete rows 1 through 33. All right, so that cleaned out that first part. Next thing we need to do is take out this space right in here as well. So I'm going to delete lines now 21 through 23, or rows, and that will delete those as well. You're going to rename this something so you can find it in your Google Sheet. I called it Glider Airfoil. You can call it whatever you want. Just make sure whatever you name it in your Google Sheet and on your Google Drive, you know what it's called, okay? Now we're faced with a problem here. Before we can get this into Autodesk Inventor, we need to take this column here where we have basically multiple sets of data here. So we have X and Y positions for the actual geometry, and then we also have airspeed and pressure, I believe, here. So we actually have to break this up to get it into the next step. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to download this to our computer locally now. So we're going to pull this off the cloud so that we can work on it with Google Sheets. So we're going to go File, Download, and you're going to select Tab Separated Values. All right, and that's going to download then this folder to your, or this file to your download folder. All right, so I'm going to stop here and we'll make another video for the next step.